Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your weather for southeastern PA, New Jersey, and Delaware. I'm doing this forecast for Thursday the 21st to Monday the 25th, and actually I'm looking at Monday night too. So we'll get into that right now. Okay, it's late in the afternoon on Thursday putting this together. You can see everybody's temperatures are basically in the 70s. Precipitation this afternoon still going on. There's not much out there, so it's kind of the storm is moving away. And wind-wise, I was at Margate City there, and I was there yesterday. And it wasn't really all that bad, but I'll tell you what, it was very foggy, and you didn't want to be in the water, but it was very foggy. And this is about what we've got right now. Basically, these are wind gusts; these are not sustained, and there's some wind gusts right along the front, right along the coast there that are into the 30s right now. But basically, everybody's in 15 to 25 mile an hour wind gusts, maybe just a hair higher than that. But the heaviest winds, as you can see, are off the coast. The further out you go, the closer to the storm you get. But the storm did spare. Now, there was some street flooding as I was driving down here, too. Um, a little bit, like puddles, but, on the side. But I know what it was from. It's got to be chilly for some of us. I mean, chilly for everybody, but chilly, really chilly for people that have temperatures get into the 50s. It's pretty cold for late in August. Elsewhere, South Jersey and parts of Delaware, you can see the temperatures stay in the 60s. And so I just point out one thing. When it's really hot during the day, the coast is cooler than inland. But then when you get this kind of cold air coming in, the coast is warmer than inland. So it works the opposite because the water tends to keep the air a little bit warmer right along the coast. Now, these are your highs on Friday. We start to return back to a little bit of normal. Upper 70s in Jersey to around 80, 81, 82 in Wilmington, Philadelphia on up towards New York, the I-95 corridor there. Right along the coast, temperatures are in the mid 70s. Saturday's another decent day. Temperatures go up a couple of degrees. Now they're getting towards the middle 80s along the I-95 corridor. To the north, up by Reading and Allentown, it gets into the 80s. Down in Dover, Rehoboth, down there, temperatures are around 80 degrees. And again, right along the coast, temperatures mid to upper 70s if you're going to the beach. Precipitation wise on Saturday, as you can see, it's nothing to worry about as we go through the nighttime hours on Saturday into Sunday morning. A couple of showers break out up here towards the Poconos overnight Saturday into Sunday because there's a front coming from the west. Temperatures in the nighttime hours, you can see they're starting to fall down. Again, this is around midnight. Temperatures are already in the 60s for the most part. Some 70s are still out there, but to the north and to the northwest of the cities, temperatures are back into the 60s. And like I said, we have a front coming in from the west, so there's going to be some showers and some clouds pulling in. But you'll get into the mid 80s for the most part in Delaware, southern Jersey, through Philadelphia. But as you can see, if you look towards the northwest, temperatures have dropped into the 40s. There's literally a 10-degree difference from, say, Doylestown down to Philadelphia as the rain and the showers. But again, it depends on where all that sets up. And then as we get into the precipitation, I'll show you that. Let's see if I can pop this little thing up here. You can see right now there's only a dot right there, but you can see there's more showers late in the afternoon on Sunday. Here comes the front Sunday evening crossing, and then it goes through. And then Monday morning, you got pretty much only a few showers in northern New Jersey during the midday hours, and that moves away. Temperatures on Monday. Let's see here. Temperatures on Monday. You can see here's your cold front coming through. Now this is, let's see, let's back this up to Monday's highs before I bring you the bad news of the cold. Okay, here's Monday during the afternoon. Front's going through. Temperatures are still in the 80s early on in the afternoon, yeah, on Monday. And then as we get into Monday night, we're going to see cold air seeping down. Now, this is just the beginning of it. Um, you can see if you're looking up towards Allentown, towards Reading and stuff, temperatures are in the middle 50s. Elsewhere, they're in the 60s. But don't worry, you'll be getting that cold air seeping down. It's going to be, you don't see it on this map, but if you go north, the temperatures are going to be in the low 40s at places. All right, everybody take care, and I'll update this thing on Monday.